Hello and welcome back to my channel. In one of our previous lessons, we learned how you can simply remove image backgrounds and replace it with a different background with just your smartphone. You can see different backgrounds just like this, very simple. So if you've not watched the previous lesson, check down the video description. You will find a link to that previous lesson. So in this one now, we'll learn how we can resize our images for various purposes like during online registration also. So without much ado, let's get started. So I'm using Android phone, so I'll go straight to my Play Store. Then I will search for what this one, photo and what picture resizer. There are various apps in which you can use, but this one is cool. Okay, so this one is good, so this one is okay. So if you don't have your own, you install it. Since I have it installed already, so I will just open it. So I don't need data. Let me turn off my data, so because I will not be watching ads now. So let me open it. Good. So when you open it, this is what you're going to see, and you're going to see something like this. So what you just do is that this one, well, let's not waste time now. Just go straight to the select photos. So this one, I'll tap on it. And it will direct you to your gallery where all your photos are located. So if let me first start with just normal compression, okay, like my photos, they are very large file size, so they are too heavy and I want to reduce the file size. So let me just quickly start with that one. Let me select just some of them at random. Let me just select at random. Okay, let me come to this. I have 4 selected already, you can see. So you just click on select. Just at the top right corner, just look at the select. So just tap on it. And it's going to give you what a batch resize. You are resizing like more than just one at a time. These 4 photos, okay, they are 12 MB in size, okay. So if I should resize them now, just look at their original size. This first one is 4.3, 5.2, 649 kilobytes and 1.8 megabytes. So I'll just tap on resize. Just look at this. This one resize, okay. That's what we are going to tap on now. Just tap on it. And let's say we just want 50% of this. Okay, I will not be going to this with height, file size whatsoever. We'll come to that later. You can even see from here if you want to, if you have any specific size that you want. But let me just compress it to 50% of what their original size. Just tap on 50% and you allow it to watch process. It's already showing you what you are saving. And that's all. So we have a 12 megabytes by the left side and just 2.1 megabytes by the right side. So if you click on it, you'll be able to compare the resized and the original. So look at the resize on top and the original down below, okay, and at the bottom. So look at this one again. Anyone you tap on, you'll be able to compare the resized one and original. You can see that the quality, they're almost the same despite the huge difference in their size. This is 649 kilobytes and the resized one is just 44 kilobytes. You can see that this is cool. Okay, so that is that for that. And you can share any of these images. Okay, if you want to share, tap on share. Okay, and you'll be able to share it across the various means. Okay, which could be your social media and your server. So but that's not what I'm doing now. You can replace it, okay, with the original one, but you can see it's either you buy premium or what. you watch ad for the what batch replace, but you can replace individual images like without having to buy premium or watch ad. So now I'm done with this. So now let's start with the single images. Now this is where we are more concerned about, like you want to prepare a passport for online registration also. So let me just click on this one. Okay, let's go with I don't need to make it. Let me pick an image that I've already replaced this background, like this one. This one is even small already, so you can see. Now look at this bar down below. We have the rotate, the crop, resize and share. If you want to rotate this image now, you can rotate it the way you want. Just look at it. But that's not what we are doing. If you want to crop this image now, just like your normal, you can crop it quickly, just the way you want. You can crop it, but what I will cancel it, we'll be doing it later. So we have resize, share and replace. So now we are here to resize this image. Okay, let's say, in Nigeria, the common sizes they use for passport, there are two. We have the one they call 2 by 2 inches, which is just like 600 by 600 pixels, right, resolution. And we have the one commonly in centimeter. They will tell you 3.5 centimeter by 4.5 centimeter, which is about if it is in inches, 1.38 by 1.77, and in pixel it's just 413 by 531. So let's resize this one now. Already made use of this percentage. So this is the width and height. This is the file size. Well, and this is what resolution and file size. So I'll be using what this one resolution what and file size, so that I'll be able to see both the resolution and file size. So this one now, let me uncheck this preserve aspect ratio, since I'm going with a portrait now, which is what 413 3.5 centimeter. You convert it to pixels, since they will not allow us to change the unit here. We're not using premium version. So this one I'll put like 431 here. So if you put this one, it's not going to work. Okay, you can see you're having almost the same thing, because you want to maintain the aspect ratio. This image is a square, and I don't want square again, so I will uncheck it so that I'll be able to pick a different thing. 413 by 431. Let me just go 430 like this. And the size, if I should pick any size, like I want 250 kilobytes, depends on what you are doing. If you are doing online registration and they want 100 kilobytes, you put it there. If the maximum requires 200, so you can put anything like 170, 180 or so there. So, but you should know that there's a relationship between this resolution and the size. If the resolution is high, then you should expect the weight, that is the file size, to be a bit larger as well. So now I have this like this. So by 530, this one, okay, so it's 413 by 530. So now you don't check this one. Okay, if you check this one, you're going to get the same thing. So you uncheck it and put it like this. Then I want 150 kilobytes, and I'll tap on okay. So now you have this option how to resize this. Okay, if aspect ratio is not preserved. So the first one is crop. Second one is stretch. This one will it will deform your image. If you're a graphic designer, you understand why you will not go with this second option already. So the best one to use is just to crop it, and you have it like this. You can see the aspect, the new resolution on top, 413 by 530. You position it perfectly like this, and you click on crop, and you have your new you have your passport now with white background. Okay, if you don't know how to replace background, please, just like I said, there's a lesson for that. So the size is what 121 kilobytes, and just see. So it's already saved already. You can go to your gallery, check under pictures, and you see there is compressed photo, size photos there. I'll even show you now. It's already there. So if you want to share it, you can share it from here. You can see to WhatsApp, email, or whatsoever. And if you want to replace it, are you sure you want to use but I don't want to replace it. So let me show you where you can find it. Man, if I just come to pictures, I will have photo resizer here, and it's already here. This is the last one I work on now. This is it. So that's why to find it. We're done with this one. Let me just go again one more time with a different image. Okay, let's go with this one. Okay, let me just go with this time around now. I don't have to pick the one with which I have removed background again, since I've already explained. Good, so let's look at this aspect ratio 1500. Let me show you. I know that you can see it already. Let me be sure that you can see it. You see, let's look at it. 1500 by 1500. So if I want to resize this now, and I want like 600 by 600, just like I said earlier. So you can even come to this place directly like this. So the aspect ratio is already square. So even if you put 600 by 600 here, and we check this, we don't have any problem. Perfectly. So you can see 600 by 682 kilobytes. Just very easy because it's already a square, and with 600 by 600 is also a square. I hope you understand. So you don't have a problem with that. So you can try out other things. I don't want this video to be too long. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe and like this video and turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be the first to see it. So please don't forget to like the video and drop your comments so that I'll know what to produce in my next video. So thank you, and see you in our next lesson.